Hello everyone, today I am making carrot tart squares. For that, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now sieve all-purpose flour, icing sugar together. Now grate cold butter and mix it with fork. Mix until it is crumbly and places of butter are no longer visible. You can also use your hands for this process. Now spread this into the prepared pan and press down. Bake it for about 20 minutes until it is just begins to brown at the edges. Now take a chopper, add chopped carrots and chop it coarsely. Now take a pan, add carrots, add milk and cook it. Please do check my description box for the measurement of ingredients. Now when it is half cooked, add cardamom powder. Mix it properly. When the whole milk is absorbed, we'll add sugar in it. Please do try out this carrot tart squares. It's really come out very amazing. And do let me know in the comment box how did you like it. So cook it till it dries out. The carrot filling is ready, cool it. Now you can see our crust is baked. Sprinkle walnut pieces, chocolate chips, and fill it with carrot. The carrot should be cooled down before you fill it. Now press it properly. So now your carrot is set. Now sprinkle some chopped almonds and press it with spoon. Now again bake it for 35 to 40 minutes until set. Cool the pan, lift the parchment, cut into the squares. You can see the layer of crust, chocolate and carrots. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.